Hey you guys, so I just finished our dill pickles and now we're going to do bread and butter pickles. Let me show you how to do it. So we are doing Mrs. Wages. Okay, back here I've got my lids. You put them in water and boil them just for sanitation. Okay, in my cooker we are putting in 6 3/4 cup of vinegar. Then we're going to do 7 cups of sugar. I think that is on probably a bag. Let's see. It's almost a bag of sugar. So 7 cups. Okay, then we're going to do 1 pack of Mrs. Wages bread and butter pickles. Now if you see stuff floating around in here, it's seeds from the other cucumbers. Okay, this is what we're using. And the directions are, all that's right on the back of that. I love, love, love this smell of bread and butter pickles. I'm hearing some pinging going on behind me too, because the dill pickles are getting done. Alright, we're going to bring that to a boil. Alright, while we're waiting on that, I'm going to show you all how I cut these for bread and butter pickles. I found this, it looks like crinkle french fries. I found these a while back, a couple years ago on Amazon, and I like these. They just make them look real pretty. So you just cut the ends off. Okay, and then you just take it, ever how thick you want them. And there's what they look like. See the little crinkles? Alright, that's a big thick one. I'll cut it in half. But there's what they're going to look like. Okay, I'm going to get these cut up. Be right back. Alright guys, now so we are packing our jars, and I'm going to show you. So once you start packing them, you just put them in and I give them a little shake. That way you're getting them down in there and getting them packed. Alright you guys, so we're back. We're doing our bread and butter pickles, and okay, our mixture has come to a boil, so I just go ahead and turn it off, and we are going to fill our jars. Now I like the wide mouth jars, but I did run out. I know I've got some in the garage somewhere, but so I got a mixture of wide mouth and small, but it's okay. Just makes them a little harder to get out. I like to use my small mouth jars for tomato juice. I leave about a 1/2 inch headspace there. This big scooper is from Pampered Chef, you all, and it is big. I love it. I got a 1/2 inch headspace to each one. Alright, we got them filled. Now we are going to debubble them. You just put this down in here, hopefully get some bubbles out of there. I forgot to do my other pickles, and some of y'all probably tell me about it. But you know what? They'll be just fine. People's gardens are really, really starting to come on now. Okay, now we are going to do a little scoop, not hardly a teaspoon, of our Mrs. Wage's Extra Crunch. This makes the world of difference in your pickles. Okay, then I've got a rag here with vinegar on it, and that's going to clean your rims. It's really important to do that, because if you don't get a good seal, you don't want to have to go back and rework them. Sometimes maybe a little seed or anything could get on there. Alright, we got that. Now back here, I just did this. You just do boil your lids to sanitize them. Alright, now we put our rings on. Just fingertip tight. You're not trying to close them real tight. Just fingertip. Right, now we're going to load them in our canner. And make sure you can see over here. Hey you guys, so while these are counting down, I've got them on 15 minutes. And I wanted to tell you all this. Take a little bit of your vinegar and just put you a little splash in your canner. It's good to make your jars, you know, not get that like that hard water on the outside of them. It gives them a good shine. Okay, I wanted to show you all that. Be right back. All right, you guys, so I'm going to turn you around here, show you what we got. We have done dill pickles and bread and butter pickles, and still got a lot to work at, but let me show you. Here's what we got. This is our dill. I ended up cutting some up in the crinkle cut. The ones that I've done the video on are more like the spears or whole. So this is just a few hours work, and then these are bread and butter. That's what we got. Now our next one will be, like I said, my favorite lime pickles, but that takes a couple of days. So I'll get them prepped and I'll show you guys how to make them, and we'll be working up some tomatoes. So garden season, I don't even have a garden this year, but I've got friends that load me down and family that load me down. So listen, I hope y'all have a good night, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you next time.